Okay, let's start. We start with searching in our search engine SQL Server Express download. Then we see one of the first results should be the SQL Server's 2022 Express from official. We go to there. You can use any search engine. Then we should be able to see here. I think I should say English, and I should say download. It takes a little bit time. Yeah, it is not downloading full, but it is downloading the necessary small version, and it will download necessary packages. Let me see, downloads, then open this file. It will ask me some small question, then later yes, then later it will download necessary other packages from Microsoft site. It takes a little bit time. Express edition. I'm choosing custom instead of basic. Yes, media location where it download it. Okay, install. Right now it is downloading the install package. While it is downloading, I will be stopping the video. Okay, we have downloaded package. Right now it is extracting the setup files. It will take a little bit time again since I'm in the virtual machine, and it is slow. In your normal computer it will be much faster. Okay, after the extraction we see this installation part, we planning and other health. We will start with new SQL Server standalone installation or add features existing installation. Okay. It will open me SQL Server installation. The others we will not need in this course, but reporting services will help us create reports. We will need SQL Server management tools so that we can connect to our server and run SQL script. Also the visual database creation tools in the SQL Server management tools are very good. We will also use them in our course. Here I accept the license. Next we need global rules and the others. Okay. It is checking necessary prerequisites for the server installation. We should not have anything in this computer, at least, since it is no, I don't want any updates, at least for now. Normally you should update your server, of course, but this is only test demo server, therefore I don't think we need them. It will be a short-lived server, but if you have a long-running development or test server, of course you should have the updates. Again, I am pausing while it is doing this one. Okay, we are in the next screen. Here it is giving us a warning for the Windows firewall. This is due to the fact that Windows firewall is open, I think. Yes. If we want to connect this machine from outside, we need to add the port numbers for to our server. Here, virtual machine. Since we will be connecting from localhost or our host computer to the VM, we don't need it. Therefore I am putting next. Maybe later I can open it. Then I don't want other extensions. We need feature selection. I only want database engine for the course. Okay, I don't want replication, I don't want machine learning and language, I don't want politics. Local DB maybe, since I would like to show the difference between SQLite. Okay, named instance or default instance. I can use default instance, then I will not need anything. If I use named instance, I need to give, but since it will be the only server here, I am using default instance. Why named instance? In this same server we can have more than one database server. For example, I can have Express developer database and another database. Therefore, I can only default instance will have no name. Others will be should be named instance. Has to be named instance. I need to change database engine correlation. This is about the language, since we are in the Turkish. Turkey, I should use here Turkish 100 or Turkish, so that the sorting here case insensitive, uppercase Attila and Attila will be says, X insensitive, U and E will be different. This width insensitive, chronotype insensitive, these are not our information, since this last two is about to East Asian languages. This correlation is very important. If you forgot your correlation, if you the moving from one correlation to other is a very bothered. This mixed mode is important, since we will be connecting from outside using Java based tools. I am entering here a password. I think we need to have a long password, more than 8 characters. Also we are adding at current user, it is also added. Mixed mode is very important. Again, we need to have this one. Data directories, where our data will be stored. Temp directory, memory, how much memory we will use. We are using default user instances. File stream, this is file stream is about storing files in the database. We will not be using it in our course. Feature configuration rules. Okay, we have finished. Installation progress. It is installing, and again it will take some time. I'm pausing this video while it is installing. Okay, it is about to be finished. The last couple of seconds, let's say. Okay, our installation is finished. Here we can see all the results. Succeed, succeed, succeed. We did everything. If we close it, we should be able to see it. And how we can see it? First, services .msg. We should be able to see SQL Server service here. We cannot connect it since we don't have any client tools, but here SQL Server is running.